convert function. This function converts a value measured in one type of unit to the same value expressed in a different type of unit, such as inches to centimeters. The syntax is equal to convert, bracket, amount to convert, comma, unit to convert from, comma, unit to convert to. So if you look at this table here, the amount to convert is 1. We are converted from inch to centimeter. So in this cell, all we do is equal convert, what amount? 1, from what unit? Inches, to what unit? Centimeter. So the result is 2.54. So 1 inch is the same thing as 2.54 centimeter. So we have that for feet to meter, yard to meters, and these are the corresponding value. Even time, 1.5 hour to minute is 90 minutes, and 0.5 minutes to seconds is 30 seconds. So we can convert from one unit to another. So you can have different examples of that, but in this worksheet I've put all this, the list of all the possible abbreviations which can be used to denote measuring system. For weight and mass, we have gram, kilogram, and all of this. For time, these are the abbreviations. For temperature, for force, for energy, and for distance, for pressure, liquid, power, magnetism, everything is here. So these are the abbreviations used by the convert formula to move from one measuring system to another. So this is how the convert formula works. Thank you for your time in this session. Kindly subscribe, follow us, and like all our videos. See you in the next section. You can download this workbook for free. Follow the steps in the description below. Have a nice time.